Okay, let's take a look at tutorial 4 question 6. Now the risk-free rate is 6% per annum with continuous compounding. Okay, so we got 6% monthly continuous compounding. And there's some dividend yields through the year. Okay, we got a load of data here. Let's highlight that in yellow. So we got these months, 4%. These months 2%, and in the other months everything else is 3%. Suppose that the value of the index, okay, there's some product, some financial asset behind in this story at the 30th of June is £1,400. What is the forward price for a contract deliverable in December the 30th, 31 days in December, not 30, so someone don't know the dates of the same year. Okay, so much information with dates here. Strongly recommend a timeline. So we have some months. We have January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. Okay, we've got, okay, let's drop these percentages in. So the asset is paying some return based on its value. February, April, October, 4%. February, April, October, 4%. March and December, 2%. And in other months, everything else is 3%. Okay, I don't really fill that picture, so everything else is 3%. Yeah, that's fine. Okay, suppose the value of an index on the 30th of June is 1,400. So roughly here we have some asset, there's some index. It has value. So this is at 6 months. Of 1,400. That's the underlying asset. What is the forward price for a contract deliverable around by here? So we want to know the theoretical forward price for this underlying asset, which I'm calling I for index, in the same year. Okay, so for these questions where there is some yield on an asset, we need to use the following formula, which is in the formula sheet, which is available on the exam. So we have the underlying asset at, okay, maybe I'll follow the formula sheet. The underlying asset, which is typically stock, so it's normally written S. We have the rate of interest, which is continuous rate. The question here isn't continuous, so we have to be careful. Q, some average yield, times T. This is the equation you will see and we need to work with. Okay, so Q, this is the average yield over the life of the forward. Okay, so the forward is from this line here. So we have 3, 3, and a 3. I think I'll put them on there. We have and this one. So June. All of June is 3. Yeah, that's right. So we've got. Oh no, we don't need. Yeah, it's 3%, but we're not going to use that one. So we got 3%. We've got 4 of those. Yeah, that's fine. Oops. We've got a 4% October and a 2% in December. So the average yield for this asset is 12 plus 4 plus 2 divided by 6, which is 3%. Okay, so there's Q. We've got S0, which is just 1,400. T is 6/12, that's big T. We just need R, and we're told that the risk-free rate is 6% with monthly compounding. So we need the rate for continuous compounding, not the nominal, over 12 periods, compounding periods. So the equation which connects continuous and nominal interest, it's not in the formula book, but it's kind of there. It's built into equations. If you understand how to extract from those, which come from understanding, it's there really. Okay, so that's the equation. So the left hand side is the effect of 12 compounding periods. The right hand side is continuous compounding. So simple rearrangement. I'm going to take logs and that power 12. I'm going to bring it to the front just because I think it looks a bit nicer. And you drop those numbers in. The nominal rate is at the top. I don't remember, it's by 6%, was it? Yeah, 6%. 1 plus 6% over 12. Take the log, divide by 12. I make that 5.98%. Okay, so now I've got all the numbers. I can now calculate the theoretical value, which is equal to 1,400 e to the power this risk-free rate. Oops, should be a 9. Take away the average yield, which was 3%, times by t, the length of the forwards in years. Okay, and after some number crunching, you will find the theoretical value is £1,421.02, which completes the question and I believe this week's tutorial.